a lash lift with me, first off I'm just measuring the lash size. It's really important to get these measurements correct as it will alter the whole lift. I went with a medium shield and I'm just gluing it down and I'm starting to glue the lashes up. I start by gluing it in the middle and work my way outwards, and then I go in my right hand again and just remove any excess glue that might have been there. I'm using Boo Beauty and I'm using solution 1 and applying that to the bottom of the root. I then leave that for a couple of minutes and then go back in and apply the rest of the solution 3/4 up the lash. After about 12 minutes, I then go in with a dry cotton tip and I remove it completely, making sure that all of that solution is completely off. I then go in my Deluxe Beauty Balm from Boo Beauty and apply that all over the lash and leave it on for 5 minutes. Going in with another dry cotton tip, I remove that completely. I then find that the lashes are now relaxed enough to be able to straighten up any lashes that I may have missed, getting the lashes completely ready to be set into that position that they want to stay in. I then apply solution 2 all over the lash and I leave this on for 6 minutes, which is half the amount of time as solution 1. I then remove it with a dry cotton tip again, making sure that that solution is completely off as well. I then go in with my hybrid tint and I apply that all over the lash using Blue Black, and I leave that on for about 8 minutes, and then I go in and remove it with a dry cotton tip again. I don't use a wet cotton tip because then I go in with a Lush shampoo and I remove any excess tint that I may have missed, as well as any solution that may have been missed being removed. I then go in with my moisturising cream and I apply that with a spoolie all over the shield.